Good morning and again welcome to our economics class. In this class we study about the investment function, and in last class we study about the consumption function and saving function and their different numericals. I also sent you a sheet about the numerical portions of the saving function and consumption function. I hope आपने कर ली होगी. उसको करने के पहले हमने उसको टेबल बनाई, बहुत अच्छे से सीखा था कि हम उसको किस तरीके से सोल्व आउट कर सकते हैं. और आपको एक बार में शॉर्ट में फिर फॉर्मूला वाइज आपको रिवाइज करवा देता हूं. अगर आपके न्यूमेरिकल में कहीं प्रॉब्लम आ रही होगी तो इजीली सोल्व आउट हो जाएगा. इन द इकोनॉमी, if you find y income level, how you can find income level? Y equal c plus s. How you find income? Y equal c plus s, and this y is always equal to the aggregate supply. So in short, aggregate supply equal to c plus s and c aggregate supply equal to y. Second, if you have to find the aggregate demand, how you find aggregate demand? AD equals c plus i. How you find c plus i? Or in the condition of equilibrium, aggregate demand equal to aggregate supply. It means AD equal to aggregate supply, AD equal to AS, or C plus I equal to C plus S. If you have to find the average propensity to consume APC, how you find APC? C upon Y, or you can find APC 1 minus APS. If you have to find the APS, how you find APS? S upon Y, or the second way to find APS 1 minus APC. If you have to find the MPC, marginal propensity to consume, how you find it? Delta C upon delta Y. Or second formula to find the MPC, 1 minus MPS. If you have to find the MPS, delta S upon delta Y, or 1 minus MPC. As we know that APC plus APS are equal to 1. If one value is given, we can find the another. In the similar way, MPC plus MPS equal to 1. If one is given, we can find the another. Okay. So you have to remember all these formula to solve the question related with the marginal propensity to consume, average propensity to consume, marginal propensity to save, and average propensity to save. अलग consumption function और saving function ये सारे क्वेश्चन आप इससे कर लेंगे. इसके बाद एक नया टॉपिक और हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे, which is our investment multiplier. और उसके बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स और सेविंग फंक्शन और कंजम्पशन फंक्शन का जो लीनियर पार्ट है हम उसको देखेंगे. अब हम आज का टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं. इन्वेस्टमेंट फंक्शन. नाउ वी सी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट फंक्शन. फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, एंड देन व्हाट आर देयर डायग्राम्स, देयर डिफरेंसेस एक्सेट्रा. हम सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. Investment is referred to the expenditure incurred on creation of new capital assets. हम जो new capital assets create कर रहे हैं, हम उस पर जो capital लगा रहे हैं, हमारे लिए क्या हो गया वो investment. इसलिए investment को capital formation भी बोला जाता है. Just like machinery, building, equipment, raw material, etc. हम इन पर जो भी investments कर रहे हैं या पैसा लगा रहे हैं, वो हमारे लिए क्या कहलाएगा? Investments. So investment का मतलब capital formation. Investment मतलब capital formation on the new assets. It is the investments. When we study investment, there are two types of investment according to your syllabus. It's induced investment and autonomous investment. Induced investment means it's the investment which is generally done by the private sector and for the profit motive. It depends on the income level of the economy. As income increase, induced investment will also increase, or as income decrease, the induced investment will also decrease. So first we see what is the meaning of this induced investment according to the book. Induced investment refer to the investment which depends on the profit expectation and is directly influenced by income level. It is income elastic. It means with the increase in income, this investment will increase, or with the reduce in income, this investment will decrease. As I told you that induced investment means the investment which is done for the profit motive and it directly relates with the income level in the economy. It's income elastic, it means with the increase in income, induced investment will increase, or with the decrease in income, induced investment will decrease. And it's generally done by the private sector, because private sector work for the profit motive. Okay. Now we see it with the help of the diagram. In this diagram, on the x-axis we will take the income level, and the y-axis we take the investment level in the economy. II is the investment curve of the economy. When income is zero, it's zero. Suppose income level in the economy is OY, then investment is OM. If income increase OY to OY1, it shows the increase in income of the economy. Income is national income. The investment level also increase in the economy from OM to OM1. Earlier investment was OM, now it's OM1. So with the increase in income, investment will also increase. When income level fall in the economy, this investment will also decrease. Earlier it's OM, now it's OMG. Okay. So income and investment both are positively related to each other. As income increase, investment increase. As income decrease, investment will decrease. So it is the induced investment of the economy. I repeat again, induced investment are those investment which is done for the profit motive, generally by the private sector, and it directly relates with the income level in the economy. It means national income and induced investment are positively related with each other. As induced investment increase, so if income increase, induced investment will also increase. As income decrease, these investment will also decrease. Okay. Now we see second type of investment in the economy. It is autonomous investment. Autonomous investment are those which are income inelastic. It means these investment are those investment which are not related with the income level in the economy, and second, it's not done for the profit motive. It is generally done by the government or mainly on the development of infrastructural facilities in the economy. If you compare these two, autonomous investment are totally different to induced investment. Autonomous investment कौन कर रहा है जनरली? गवर्नमेंट. इसका इनकम लेवल से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. इनकम इनइलास्टिक है. अदर इनकम इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, it remain constant. Autonomous investment refer to the investment which is not affected by change in the level of income, and it's not induced solely by profit motive. It is income inelastic. It means it is not influenced by change in income. Just I told you that these type of investments are not related with the income level, and it's not done for the profit motive. It is generally done by the government or for the development of infrastructure in the economy. So autonomous investment are totally opposite to the induced investment, and it's not related with the income level. Okay. Now we see with the help of the diagram. In this diagram, on x-axis we will take income level in the economy, and y-axis we will take the investments. I is the investment curve in the economy, which is a horizontal line, or you can say that parallel to the x-axis. When income level is OY, investments are OM. When income increase OY to OY1, investment remain constant on OM. When income decrease OY to OY0, again investment remain constant. So it means our investments are not related with the income level, because it's not done for the profit motive. It's done by the generally government or for the development of infrastructure in the economy. So it's totally income inelastic. So I repeat again, induced investment done by the private sector for the profit motive, and it's income elastic. While autonomous investment done by the government sector for the development of infrastructure, and it is income inelastic. In the last of today's class, we studied what is the difference between induced investment and autonomous investment. अब दोनों के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? जैसे हमने आपको पहले भी बताया था, अगर हम कहीं पर भी डिफरेंस पढ़ते हैं, किसी भी दो वेरिएबल या कंसेप्ट के डिफरेंस पढ़ते हैं तो हम हमेशा बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंस बनाते हैं और बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंस के बिहाफ पर उनको डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया जाता है, जिससे आपको क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा कि आपको खाली बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंस से आप लर्न कर लो, और अगर आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर है तो आपको अंदर की थ्योरी लर्न करने की रिक्वायरमेंट्स नहीं होती, और योर आंसर इज आल्सो परफेक्ट which also provide you 100% marks in the question in the board exam. So now we study what is the difference between induced investment and autonomous investment. The first point of the difference is motive. Induced investment is driven for profit motive. It means it depends on profit expectation. जो induced investment हो क्या हमारे लिए profit motive है, इस पर डिपेंड करा profit पर। अगर profit margin ज्यादा होगा तो induced investment increase होंगे, अगर profit margin कम है तो induced investment भी reduce होंगे। Autonomous, it is done for social welfare and not for profit. Autonomous investment done for the social welfare or development of infrastructure in the economy and it's not related with the profit motive. इसका प्रॉफिट से कोई लिंक नहीं है, प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज हो डिक्रीज हो इसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा। ये किसके लिए किया जा रहा है, इकोनॉमी के अंदर या तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट के लिए या डिफरेंट सोशल वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम के लिए। इस मतलब इंडिया की बात करें, गवर्नमेंट का एक बहुत प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोग्राम है मनरेगा। आप पढ़ेंगे इंडियन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट। अब मनरेगा अगर गवर्नमेंट के पास अगर फंड है या नहीं है, पिछले कई सालों से गवर्नमेंट इवन 2006 से इंप्लीमेंट हुआ है, कंटिन्यूस पर गवर्नमेंट फंड अलॉट कर रही है मनरेगा, ठीक है। अब इसका गवर्नमेंट के प्रॉफिट मार्जिन से कोई लिंक नहीं है कि गवर्नमेंट इसको क्यों कर रही है, फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर द सोशल वेलफेयर इन द इकोनॉमी। तो इस तरह बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट वर्क करती है व्हिच आर नॉट रिलेटेड विद आवर प्रॉफिट मॉडल। हालांकि जो मनरेगा है हम उसको इन्वेस्टमेंट तो नहीं बोल सकते, पर एक तरह का गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर। सेकंड, इनकम इलास्टिसिटी। Induced investment, it is income elastic. It means with the increase in income, induced investment will increase, or with the decrease in income, induced investment will decrease. So induced investments are income elastic. As income increase, induced investment will increase, or as income decrease, induced investment will decrease. It directly depends on the income level in the economy. Autonomous, it is unaffected by the change in income level or its income inelastic. Either income increase or decrease, these investment remain constant. अगर हमारा इनकम बढ़ता है या कम होता है, इन इन्वेस्टमेंट में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा। अगर हमारा इनकम बढ़ रहा है या हमारा इनकम कम हो रहा है, पर इन्वेस्टमेंट में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आ रहा, it is totally not related with the income level in the economy. Third, investment curve. If we see here curve II, investment curve is upward sloping line. It shows the positive relation with income and investment. While autonomous investment, the investment curve is horizontal line parallel to the x-axis. It shows there is no change in investment with the change in income level in the economy sector. Induced investment is generally done by the private sector. जैसा मैंने पहले बोला, induced investment कौन कर रहा है, private sector, and mainly for the profit motive. While autonomous investment, it is generally done by the government sector. So in today's class we study about the investment, and I think it's clear what is investment, meaning of investment, then types of investment, induced investment, its meaning, then its diagram, and then autonomous investment, its meaning and its explanation by the diagram, and in the last we study about the difference between induced investment and autonomous investment. In the next class now we start determination level of income and output in the economy. How can we find the equilibrium level of income and output in the economy? We studied by two approach, aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach, and second is saving and investment approach. So we study determination of equilibrium level of income and output in the economy in the next class. Thank you.